issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Orange County in east central Florida, northeastern Osceola County in east central Florida, until 7:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 6:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Harmony, or 7 miles north of Holapa, moving east at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Lone Cabbage Fish Camp, Deer Park, Alligator Lake, Harmony, and Pine Grove. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.